Following segment is sponsored by Smith's Food and Drug. It's that time of year again when the smell of cinnamon roasted almonds fills the air. And if you want to learn how to make that at your home, Chef Jeff is going to show us how. Let's take a look.
Hello everybody, I'm Chef Jeff from Smith's. Okay, when I go to football games, I'm not going to tell you which game I like to go to, but those who know me know exactly who that is. But anyways, when I go there, one of the first stops I like to make is the cinnamon roasted almond stand, because just that smell comes around and you just can't resist. But they're super expensive, but so delicious. So I'm going to show you how to make them at home. They're super easy. And for this time of year, it's a perfect thing to share with your neighbors and things like that. So let's just get right to it. We're going to be making cinnamon roasted almonds. Have your oven preheating to 250. Have a sheet pan with either a silicone mat or parchment paper on it, so it's ready to go. This happens really fast. So here in this bowl, I'm gonna do our flavoring. So we got brown sugar, and then some sugar, cinnamon, and salt. You need that salt in there to kind of balance all that sweet that's happening. So just go ahead and whisk that together, like so. Okay, and then over here, we're gonna do a couple things. So I've got some water. We're making the stickiness. This is what's gonna hold all of that spice or the sugar and flavoring to the nuts. Egg whites is the key here. So there's an egg white along with some vanilla and water, and then we're just gonna whisk this until it gets frothy. It doesn't take very long, maybe 20 seconds or so, but really you just wanna whisk it until bubbles start to form on top, like so. And you immediately smell that vanilla in there. I love that. Okay, so I have here, the nice thing about this recipe is this size of almond bag is what you need. You just need roasted almonds, just regular baking almonds. Make sure they're not salted or anything like that, just regular almonds. Then we're gonna stick them in that egg white mixture. And it's about 4 cups if you're wondering. And then we're just gonna go ahead and stir that together with some gloved hands until it comes together. And then we're gonna take our sugar mixture, put over top of that, and then go ahead and mix that together. And then we are going to spread this on our sheet pan, like so. Spread it out, and then this goes into a 250-degree oven. Once it goes into that oven, it's going to cook for 1 hour. But every 15 minutes, you're going to take and you're going to stir them around just to kind of shuffle them around, just so that so the sugar and everything gets mixed into it. But you're gonna do that 3 times. So once every 15 minutes for a total of 60 minutes cooking time. So let's get these in the oven. And then I believe I've got some that are done, which I do. And so what happens to these is that egg white mixture becomes like crunchy. And so they're crunchy and there's a lot of seasoning on there, but they're perfect. And so what I have here is some that I've already made earlier. These are perfect for the neighbors, perfect for the holidays. And you get that lovely smell you just can't resist. You can find all these ingredients at your local Smith's. Thanks for watching, thanks for shopping. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.
So yummy. I feel like I can smell it through the screen. Thanks, Chef. We'll be right back.